first come out the film he made of me snoring on the couch. Very nice. And just so you know, it is 6:53 p.m. on a Sunday night. Poor baby was tired. I'm worn out. We'll see how long it takes him to find this.